Okay, so here we have number 3, which is right here. So the question is 7b to the degree of 5 plus b to the degree of 2 minus b to the degree of 3 minus 3b to the degree of 5 minus 5b to the degree of 2. And they're asking two things. The first, combine like terms. Well, not first, but combine combine the like terms as well as arrange them in descending order. So you have two options. You can either combine like terms first and then arrange them, or you can arrange them in descending order and then combine the like terms. So what I'd like to do first, what seems to be the easier option and more convenient option, would be to arrange the terms in descending order. So what we're going to do, we are going to pick out the numbers that have the same degrees. So for instance, 7b to the degree of 5 will have the same value of degree with 3b to the degree of 5. Next, we're going to choose b to the degree of 2, which will have the same value of degree with -5 to the degree of 2. Then, of course, since there are no other degrees that have the same degree value as b to the degree of 3, b to the degree of 3 will remain as is. It will remain by itself. Next, since we have already identified or grouped the coefficients based on their degrees, we will now arrange them in descending order. So an easy thing to do, or a more convenient action to take firstly, would be to pick them out. So separate them from this equation. So first take 7b to the degree of 5 with -3b to the degree of 5 and put them somewhere on your page. 7b to the degree of 5 minus 3b to the degree of 5. Next, we can take b to the degree of 2 as well as -5b to the degree of 2. So this will be 2b, b to the degree of 2 minus 5b to the degree of 2. And of course, -b to the degree of 3 remains by itself. Next, since we've already separated these numbers based on their degrees, we will now simplify them, as in, of course, this means combine the like terms. So we will first subtract -3 from 7, so it will become 4b to the degree of 5. Next, we will subtract 5b to the degree of 2 from b to the degree of 2. Of course, remember, b to the degree of 2, its coefficient is 1. If a letter does not have a number next to it, always remember that the coefficient is 1 if it does not have another number next to that letter. So technically, we will be subtracting 5 from 1. So it'll be -4b to the degree of 2. And of course, -b to the degree of 3 remains as is. After we've done that, we'll now combine or arrange these variables based on their degrees in descending order. That is, to arrange them from highest degree to lowest. And as you can see here, the highest degree is 5. The lowest degree is 2. So we'll put 4b to the degree of 5 minus b to the degree of 3, since 3 is between 2 and 5, minus 4b to the degree of 2. This will be your answer.